DOTE4G model is a calibration tester with horizontal loading device, pole, and pole holder. It is high accurate measurement tester. There are 6 models covering a torque range from 2 Newton meters to 1,000 Newton meters with ±1% accuracy. Newly designed wheel handle with bearing mechanism turns smoothly and reduces the burden on calibration process. It can be stored up to 1,000 data. Display and control panel is designed in consideration of usability and visibility. It is aggregated to center in size of DOTE 500N4 and DOTE 1004. There is a high-low setting function. Upper and lower limits can be registered up to 10 patterns. It is displayed OK in blue and NG in red. 6 torque units are available. Hex adapter and AC adapter come equipped with DOTE4G model. Data output through RS-232C or USB. Free data input software, Excel receiver, is available. DOTE4G motor drive model is a motor-operated loading tester. It is ideal for calibration of a large quantity of torque wrench. Capable of speed control by operation controller, click and dial methods. Motor drive can be added to regular DOTE4G model subsequently. Calibration kit for DOTE4G model is available. DOTE4G model contributes your torque wrench management.